transponders. Give me a thumbs up when you're all good to go. The transponders in, motors on, the kill switch set to off. All right, so without much further ado, Patrick Callahan is providing us timing and scoring for today, and he will give us a lovely countdown that I wish all of you would join in. And keep in mind, for those of you who are paying attention, the Moxie board is out there right now. Remember, we do not only give out race points for how they finish, we give out race points for how much you're entertained by them. Whether they spin out, or they do a wheelie, or they power slide through everything, or they decide to get bored and drive in reverse for a while, it doesn't matter. You award them points, and they get real race points towards the championship of this weekend. So, Patrick.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Very.
Drivers, are you ready? All right, are you all ready out there? All right. Patrick, you want to lead down with the countdown?
Sure. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Team Kiss My Snake has another lead, and Make is in second place with Nimby in third, putting Station 1 and 4th and 5th. Kiss My Snake has a very strong power wheel, still power sliding through in turns, but Make is steady and gaining speed. Nimby with a solid third, and Make spinning out a little bit, but recovered. And Nimby's right on the tail on the outside, trying a little bit towards the inside, building up a run as Kiss My Snake pulls away. Jeremy is now past Colin. And on the inside, Nimby. Catching up, oh, a little too inside. Nimby just had a wake-up call. A little bit of body damage on Nimby, but it's still going strong. Colin ducking every time he makes a lap complete. And I'm starting to smell that magic smoke out there. I'm not seeing it right now, but I'm smelling it. Oh, and it looks like Nimby right in front of here. Might want to get out of that.
10 laps to go, 10 laps to go.
Caution flag is out.
All is well, ladies and gentlemen, all is well. It's just a little motor smoke.
I think it's a little more than smoke here, Patrick. I'm getting a first nice view of the cooking. Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we got a barbecue that is now out. Round of applause for Nimby.
Yay!
Get the Moxie points out for Nimby there. I'd like to have a quick... They waited for the fire extinguisher because someone just blew on the smoke, on the flames. You did excellent fireman work right there.
Yeah, I used the Class B hand and put out the fire. We're all okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's how it works around here sometimes. Oh, and while I was busy talking, we went back to green flag. Green flag back. Kiss My Snake in the lead, Make in second place. Make Lab Rats in second place. Looks like Colin's taking third place. Colin's in fourth, Jeremy's in third. And Kiss My Snake is managing through lap traffic. Hellmatic's holding up Make, getting a little bump into the side wall, but he's still going strong.
5 laps to go.
5 laps to go. Kind of got nudged off of the track. Had to take the runoff to get back going.
Don't forget to vote for Moxie.
Keep in mind, Make is looking for serious Moxie, but so is Kiss My Snake. They're power sliding through every turn they can. He told me earlier in the race that he was going to watch the motors. He was worried about getting that magic smoke, but right now the only smoke I'm seeing is coming from his tires. Meanwhile, towards the back of the pack. How much?
3 laps left.
3 laps to go. And right now, Make is having a solid second place. A big improvement from earlier this morning. They got that motor, they took it apart, and they fixed it. And we're having a white flag. White flag for Kiss My Snake. Hitting the sidewall as he powers through it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like Kiss My Snake is going to win another race here. First place for Kiss My Snake. Second place, Make Lab Rats. For Make Magazine, Make Lab Rats a solid second place. Big recovery from this morning. But it's still Team Kiss My Snake up at the top. doing donuts in the middle of the track. He's actually putting a tread down, ladies and gentlemen. And ladies and gentlemen, third place goes to Chibi Cart from Pumping Station 1 in Chicago. Give him a round.